Oh yeah, I know.
Like, don't get that smart. Your
cap locks are hard enough, but flint locks are.
If that flint isn't just right, it can mess up.
And then the flint will break at the wrong moment, and your powder will fall out, and it'll get wet, and humidity, and.
That's why the British were real good with bayonets. They put bayonets on, and then they'd have.
Yeah, I think everybody was good at bayonets in those days, weren't they?
Americans caught on later, but British would charge them, and they would take off, and that's the end of the battle.
Yeah.
No charge to kiss the bear.
No, I think I'm okay. I'm okay. So you're Snoring Bear?
Yep. Well, before my sleep app machine, I could wake up the whole camp. I was bad.
Yeah, I got one of those myself. So.
Yeah. Good stuff. Sometimes I gotta have the batteries to. There's no electricity, then you gotta have the battery running off a battery.
Okay, I never thought about that, but I guess it's. So what's this turtle shell with the numbers on it here?
On the inside, the bigger spots, there's 13 of them, so it's 13 months. And on the outside, there's 28, so it's 28 days. So that's like an Indian calendar. When you look at turtle shells, count them, you'll see.
Okay, I believe you. I just never thought of that before.
Yeah. That's why I put the numbers on, and everybody goes, oh, why are the numbers?
So we're learning things, which is. And what's with our pirate hook here?
Well, when I wear it, I say the bear was trying to get her maple syrup. So then the bear took off my hand, but I finally got the bear.
Okay, yeah. That's...
I was getting hot in the sun. So.
It's an old ice hook, isn't it?
Yeah. Very good eye. Good eye. And he made up the leather for me. We just thought it up this weekend.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to get a wooden eye and put it on the end of it. I'll wear a patch and say I'll practice. I didn't get the hang of it yet. So. But what I am is a trader's helper. I'll go in my canoe, deliver supplies, and I'll collect and trade furs if I have to. I'm just a low guy at the totem pole.
Yeah, there have been a lot of them throughout history.
Yeah, most of us. I don't have money, power, or a badge, so I'm no harm to anybody.
Well, you know, they say God must love poor people. He made enough of them.
Yeah, that's it. But it's enjoyable. I do it for the kids mostly.
Yeah.
They never touched a lot of furs. I got moose and beaver and mink and muskrat, raccoon, coyote, and buffalo.
Yeah. So I see you got your musket here.
Yep.
And I assume that pistol cane is merely for show.
Well. Pull the trigger. Fire in the hole.
Okay, it's just a cap pistol, but
those guys could have used it because none of theirs were going off. Their flints were.
I know a few years ago here, they gave Dad one of those, and he tried to fire it, and they tried like 3 times. They never could get the blasted thing to go bang.
Yeah, they can be real finicky.
I mean, I don't know how they got this stuff to work in combat.
Oh, no. That's why they didn't fight in the rain either. I'll pick on these guys. I was going to run out and help you guys.
Yeah. You really needed it.
It could have sparked, maybe.
You would have been better. Hey, you would have been on our side. Yeah, one of us.
And the final charge.
Although I do like the cut down the weapon here.
Oh my!
No. This.
Oh, that.
How it's cut down.
That's
very
a
cool.
Charleville cavalry rifle.
Oh, gotcha.
Then they.
Oh yeah, they got the little hook,
so they won't drop it off the horse.
Yeah.
So that's.
I like it. It's
just unique.
It's okay.
Let's get your fart work. Oh, I saw spark.
You got a little bit, yeah. You got lucky.
Yeah.
But if you went out there, if you would have just went out there and went click, you would have felt just fine.
I went on a parade once and I had it. My split just shattered.
Mm-hmm.
I thought, oh man. Sometimes that's real though. I mean, you think about it,
right?
That's,
That happened to me.
yeah.
All right, we got to go back to camp and do some maintenance for sure.
Yeah, a little foot napping and
Yeah, a little bit of hammering at it.
So what are your shackles for?
What is this?
that is Arctic fox. And then you got a gray fox. Yeah, wear it around your neck so your mom sees. You want that styling? That styling? There you go. This is a red fox. You want to feel something really tough? Feel this one. This moose. Real thick skin. That's thick. Want to feel moose? That's thick. Feel how thick that is.
Yeah, you can walk around. They
Feel
got
skin.
bear skin.
That,
Oh, is that a skunk?
that's Chester. He's sleeping. Chester likes you like that. Let's see. Yeah, hi. How are you? Get your picture by the bear. Show your friends how tough you are.
Do you want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
Is he dead? Well, yeah, Al.
He's real dead. There. And then there's a coyote next to it. Yep. That's a coyote. And then underneath it is buffalo.
I took 2 pictures, okay?
Are you always this nice or just on Sundays? I bet you're really nice when you're sleeping, aren't you?
She likes
do.
to fool everyone. Right, Al.
Maybe.
What's inside of this?
Is this a torso?
Parts of her tail.
Is this a torso?
Yeah, kind of like.
Yeah, he said that was a calendar, how the Indians told the